Oh, that's a bit heavy on the front end. Oh, that was alright, we're back in. We're back in. We're on it. Switch it back on a bit. Oh! Oh, that's a big old spishy splashy. Oh, look at that. Woo! Woo! Hoo, hoo. The ground literally just disappeared under me then. Here we go, what's this? Pop off that one though. Pop off that one. That was a big one. So we're on, innit? Going, jeez. Look at this one. Oh, off track. Get back on, steady, steady. Oh, this is a bit gnarly. Oh, they were tests. They were real tests, they were. Oh, I felt them. Oh, the old legs are wibbly wobbly. Oh, maybe that's why the trail. Oh, they were real tests, they were. That was a real test. Oh. They were real tests. That was just like, yeah, I don't even know how to describe them. Into the tunnel, lefty righty lefty, and then a flipping big righty on the left. What? Oh, jeez. Oh, Christ almighty. They were big, right?
The wall, it just went boing.